Good morning, friends. Right now I've decided to give you guys a little activity to do. We are going to go on a little walk and we're gonna make nature bracelets. So we got a piece of tape on our wrist turned inside out, and we're gonna walk around and see what we can find to add to our bracelet. So far, these are our finished products. Yeah, look. Show them your bracelet. Show them your bracelet. Oh, that's such a cool bracelet.
Yeah.
And this is mine. Okay.
You know.